guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys a really cool magic trick that I always use as my street go-to type trick. So you're gonna see that trick right now. Also, if you are new here to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. So with all that said, let's get into the performance. Alright guys, so let's get started with the trick. So I'm gonna be using the black Tallyho deck for this whole video. So let's get started. Alright guys, so I have my mom over here and she's going to be assisting me for this whole video. So let's get started. So first of all, as you can see, I've got a normal deck of playing cards right over here. Okay? Alright, so I'm gonna give the deck a shuffle. Alright, so I'm gonna have you say stop at any point you want. So just say stop.
Stop.
Over here. Alright, so I'm gonna flip these cards over and I'm gonna take the next card and I'm gonna place it right over here above the 5 of spades. Like that. Alright, so now the card is right on top of the 5 of spades. Now I want my mom to bring out the hand. I'm going to take all these cards and I'm going to leave them in their hand just like that. Alright, so now at this point I'm going to have my mom say stop once again at any point.
Stop.
So you pick the 3 of spades, okay?
Yes.
So I'm going to take the 3 and I'm going to leave some cards on top of the 3 just like that. I'm going to give the deck a cut like that. Now I'm going to take all these cards because what I wanted to show you here is still the card is on top of the 5 of spades, as you can see. But there's something special about it because it has now changed into your playing card. Yeah. So guys, that's the trick and I hope you guys liked it. So I will see you guys on my next video. So please comment down below if you want to learn this trick. And if you have already learned how to do it, then you're awesome. And I will see you guys on my next video. Thanks for watching.